This video course app I specially created and designed based on my 20 years of work experience with working with different people, my experience with uh, taking seminars and workshops with different colleges, and I have interacted with many students in colleges. So what you see on this slide right now are three different video courses I have. This one is specially for freshers and college students. This course has total 21 different videos. It has different reading material, resume templates, and it has videos ranging from resume writing, interview preparation, interview techniques, English improvement, improving your communication, how to speak on the phone, how to write emails, how to I have 19 different techniques to conduct job search, how to create your professional LinkedIn profile for your profession. So that is a course called Get a Job Fast. Then I have a specific course if you are looking for conducting your job search and cracking your interview. I have a separate course for that. And then I have a separate course for improving your communication skills. So these are the courses for freshers and college students. Then I also have two courses for you may be a student, you may be a working professional. See, all of us have some unique strengths in all of us. You may have heard of Mukesh Ambani or Vijay Shekhar Sharma, who founded Paytm, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, or Warren Buffett. All of these peoples had one thing in common. They had a passion and they had a unique ability in certain things, right? They had a unique ability, unique strength, and they capitalized on that unique strength. Like Bill Gates, he was fascinated by computers and programming, and then later on he founded Microsoft, and now we know it is the largest producer of software in the entire world. So we also know another example of Walt Disney, who had passion and unique strength of drawing and painting and sketching. Later on, he created Walt Disney. It's world famous company. So in this program of unique ability, I give you step by step instructions on how to find what is really unique in each of you. Because when you start and find that, and when you start working on that, you can really focus your energy and your time in the proper direction, and you don't waste any time in other things that are not unique to you. Then I have another course which helps you to find your passion, find your goals, create your goals, know your strengths and weaknesses. And in all of these courses you get direct access to me. Whoever gets this course, I do one-to-one coaching to each and every one of you through the phone. Then some of you may be wanting to become an entrepreneur. So I have two special video courses which can help you to create a solid, strong foundation in understanding what exactly is entrepreneurship, what are those entrepreneurial skills that you need to develop. And in second course, I also give you 5 different pillars you need to develop, and it gives you huge clarity in your entrepreneurship journey. And then I have total of 13 different video courses, and I'm continuously adding new and new courses in that. This is just example of testimonials who have used my course. These were freshers of different colleges. And then there are different benefits of my video course app. So I have 13 different engaging video courses. You can access this on mobile as well as web. You get unlimited views of any video in entire video course. You have access to it 24/7 365 days of the year. You can learn at your own pace, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, in the night. You get a free one-to-one coaching session directly with me. Whether you are a college student, whether you are a working professional, any challenge you have with your life or career, you get direct access for 1 hour with me. The content I have is very proven based on my 20 years of experience and research over the last 4-5 years. You get 1 year access to this video course. And the benefits you get is you get clarity in your career and in your life. You grow personally with this video course and with coaching with me, and you can achieve your goals faster, whether it is getting a job or starting something on your own, whatever your goal is. And this is the interface of that app, and this is available on Android as well as iOS on both platforms. And to view and access all the courses, you must log in as student when you sign up for when you download this app. And it's only a 30-second installation, right? You just get an OTP and you can immediately look and access, look at all the courses.